there's birds on those wires, Zaya.
Are they? They're cute.
Yeah, they're cute. Why there's birds on those wires?
Are they gonna fly?
I might then might smash the electricity out and no water would go into our house.
The birds are gonna smush the electricity?
And I see no water would come into our house. Maybe we could be birds and we can fly up onto the wires and tell the birds.
And tell the birds what?
And tell the birds don't switch those wires. Huh. How are we gonna be birds?
That's a good idea.
How are we gonna be birds?
Mommy, I'm thinking.
Okay.
I got an idea.
Let me hear. What's your idea?
We could be bunny rabbit birds. Does that sound like a good idea, Mommy?
It sounds like an excellent idea.
I could be a bunny rabbit bird, and Mom could be a bunny rabbit bird, and Nan could be a bunny rabbit bird, and Jack could be a bunny rabbit bird.
Yay! Jack had a really good idea.
And
Yeah.
we're gonna hop and fly.
We could. How about we could be draft bird fly by wings, and we need our wings. We need real wings to fly in the air.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. That's not safe to have only arms. We need real wings.
Yes, we do, to fly.
Yeah. Just like birds.
So how are we gonna get wings?
I don't know, Mommy. How about at Target? I don't know.